The Singapore government just dropped the bomb. They're closing all CPF members' special account when they reach 55 years of age. Which means no more so-called CPF SA shielding hack that members can earn a 4% risk-free interest on their CPF money. So Piranha Profits, out of the waters, hits the streets to find out how Singaporeans are reacting to these changes and how they intend to plan for their retirement ahead. How many more years do you have until your ideal retirement age?
Or thinking hopefully by 55.
Ideal retirement will be 55, I guess.
How many years is there till then, if you don't mind?
7 or...
Okay.
I think I will retire at 60, 30 years more.
Then do you have an idea of what's a comfortable retirement lifestyle? Like how much money do you need?
$1 million.
$1 million.
Minimum 2 million.
2 million.
As much as possible.
As much as
For
possible.
sure.
I think 10,000.
10,000 per month.
Yeah.
Okay. The cost of an ideal retirement lifestyle for most Singaporeans today is between $2,600 to $6,000 a month in terms of passive income. So do you feel adequately prepared?
I won't say on track, but I think that is a very kind of a fair amount. Also depending on your lifestyle, I guess. As long as it works for you, it works for you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, if you can survive at 2.5 a month, it's all good.
So do you think that's also in line on how much you need when you retire? Like personally. Then do you feel adequately prepared for retirement?
Not at the
Or-
moment.
On the way lah.
On the way lah, yeah.
So I think just wanted to ask, is CPF a large part of your retirement plan?
Definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Probably it is. But as I said, if you're financially educated, I don't think a lot of people will definitely not say CPF will be the
Right.
go-to lah.
Okay.
But we do have to understand that not many of us are savvy.
I think
Plan.
I'll use that as a retirement plan.
As a retirement plan. But will you actively contribute into it?
Won't actively contribute, yeah.
Okay. I'm not too sure whether you follow in the recent budget, right? They have announced that they are doing a closure on our CPF Special Account at 55 years old.
Yeah.
Do you think that will have any sizable impact to your own retirement planning right now?
I think retirement planning should be done early. We don't have to wait until 55 to based on SA account to actually be adequately ready for retirement. So to me, I don't think there's much impact.
Most probably, I will transfer more of my fund to the CPF Life lah.
I think I've heard of it, but I have not actually read about it.
Okay.
So thank you for letting me know. So
But they have closed the loophole already in the recent budget. So in 2024, they're closing it. Do you personally right now, do you contribute actively to your special account or to your ordinary account or whatnot?
Not regularly lah.
Mm.
Yeah. Probably like a few years.
For
No, I don't.
to voluntarily contribute? You don't.
No, I don't.
So are you tampering with your ordinary account and stuff?
oh yes,
Like,
yes,
are you
yes,
investing your
yes.
CPF?
I think I invested using my CPF to invest since I started work in my
Okay.
20s.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's good because I think you don't really see it, so you won't touch it. It won't-
Right. You can't touch it anyway.
Yeah, you can't touch it anyway.
Right.
So you just let it grow, I guess.
Mm.
But it's not as fast as many of us want
Right.
it to be. But it's still a safe.
Singaporean right now, I think a lot of us have our money locked in properties. So I just want to ask, is it the same for you?
I think in given today's context for property, it's unless you really have a very good startup capital that you flip your properties previously, then perhaps you might have a good start. But I think nowadays, if people really wants to invest into property, there's many challenges that
Okay.
they need to face. Yeah.
No, I'm a lazy person.
So you just put it purely in the bank lah.
Yeah.
Okay, understand.
Investment.
Investment.
Yeah,
So investing specifically in
Singapore market.
Singapore market.
Yeah.
Okay.
I invest in like, you know, those kind of like Weeboo, Moo, those kind of things, like
So
those kind of apps.
specifically in US stocks, Singapore stocks, or what do you invest in?
US and Singapore stocks.
I put insurance. I
Into
put my money
insurance.
insurance. I put money in our company salary scheme for
So
saving.
you don't do investments on your own lah.
Before, yes, now no more.
Can I ask why?
Don't have the energy and the time. Yeah,
Okay.
but I should. I know I should.
I think it's investment.
Investment?
Yeah.
So you dabble into stocks, equities, shares, bonds.
Kind of.
Okay.
Kind of. But it's not a sure win. So I think saving is something that you still need to do.
Right.
But I think investment is one of the things that you really need to do to let your money grow now these days.
Do you guys invest personally in like US equity market, Singapore market?
Depending on the risk appetite.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I do have like
Exposures,
exposures.
in wherever.
yeah.
Okay, yourself?
I think it does change with the different life stages. So previously when younger, I think risk appetite is greater. More towards retirement age, I think the risk appetite will change lah.
Can I also understand why you don't specifically invest in the US market? Because at least the traditional, I guess, convention wisdom is like over the last 100 years, they have compounded like 7 to 10% annually.
Or because I understand more on SG companies.
More
Singapore
comfortable
government,
also lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then also because of the, I believe as a foreigner, if I invest in US market, there's some capital tax.
Withholding tax.
Yes, yeah.
Right.
Cannot recall.
Okay.
Because when I first started investment, it was basically a very diverse investment.
Okay.
So I have and could have dabbled with the US market, but I think back then it was a bubble.
Right.
So I was quite cautious about it. So very low investment on those countries
Right.
that had a bubble, but it's pretty diversified.
So as we can see, there's still quite a number of people in Singapore not participating actively in the equities market. So as a financial education company, we've always been staunch advocates of diversification and making sure that you have a foolproof strategy moving into retirement. So if you want to learn how to grow your money at a better rate compared to your bank account or even your CPF account, you can download this free guide in the link below by Piranha Profits and learn how thousands of happy Singaporeans are getting richer by investing in the US equities market. So this is CK from Piranha Profits signing off. Till next time, keep winning.